Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am discussing about the pair of straight lines problem which is belongs to JEE. From a common point on the lines xy minus 3y minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0 is the combination of two lines. Mutually perpendicular lines L1 and L2 are drawn such that they intersect triangles of equal areas. This is very important. With the coordinate axis, if theta 1 and theta 2 are inclination of L1 and L2 with coordinate axis, then mod theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to. These are the options is given. First, from a common point on the lines, that means from the lines you have to find common point. Given lines xy minus 3y plus minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. From these two, x take common, from these two, y take common, minus 3 take common, x into y minus 4 minus 3 into y minus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 3 into y minus 4 equal to 0. That implies x minus 3 equal to 0 and y minus 4 equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Therefore, here we got common point. Therefore, the common point is p of x comma y, which is equal to p of 3 comma 4. After getting a common point, two lines are drawn from this. One is perpendicular each other. L1 and L2 both are perpendicular. Suppose one line will be here. This is passing through 3 comma 4. Another line is perpendicular to this one. This is L1 suppose. This is L2. And this line slope is m. Obviously another one is slope is minus 1 by m. Calculate both the lines. First line, the equation of L1 is y minus passing through 3 comma 4 means this is x1 y1. Y minus 4 equal to m into x minus 3. That implies mx minus y minus 3m plus 4 equal to 0. This is about L1. You can write instead of that L1. Next, L2 equation with slope minus 1 by m. The equation of L2 is y minus 4 equal to slope is minus 1 by m, perpendicular line. X minus 3 cross multiplying my minus 4m minus x plus 3. These values we can take this side. L2 equal to x plus my minus of 4m plus 3 equal to 0. This is L2 line. This is L1 line. What they are saying is the areas bounded by with these lines are equal. Here they mention that equal areas. We know that the area of triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with the coordinate axis is half c squared by ab. First one, this is L1, this is L2. Area 1 equal to half into c square. In this equation, compare with ax plus by plus c value is this one, 4 minus 3m. 4 minus 3m whole square, half c square by ab. A value is m, b value is minus 1. m into minus 1 minus m. Within modulus it will become plus in next term. Next, a2 also calculate. a2 is equal to half into c square. It is related to second one, second equation. C is minus of 4m plus 3, that whole square means 4m plus 3 whole square. Divided by AB. A value is 1, B value is m. So m into 1 is m. Since areas are equal, A1 is equal to A2. Whenever A1 equal to A2, there 1 by 2 will be cancelled. Obviously, in denominator mm also cancel, within modulus it will become plus. Directly we are going to write as 4 minus 3m whole square is equal to 4m plus 3 whole square. That implies 9m square plus 16 minus 24m is equal to 16m square plus 9 plus 24m. These values we are taking this side. 16m square minus 9m square is 7m square. 24m minus again this side plus 48m. And 9, 16 we are taking this side. 9 minus 16 is minus 7 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of m. Then it has two roots m1 comma m2 respectively. m1, m2 are the roots. Sum of the slopes. So m1, where m1 is equal to tan theta 1, you remember that inclination of the first line L1. m2 is equal to inclination of the second line and slope of the first line, second line denoted by tan theta 1 and tan theta 2. m1 plus m2, it is a quadratic equation minus b by a. So b is equal to here 48 minus 48 by a value is 7. And product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to here roots minus 7 by 7. That means minus 1. But according to the question, they are asking to calculate theta 1 plus theta 2. That means tan of a plus b formula you can assume. A plus b means theta 1 plus. Now consider tan theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to tan of a plus b formula. Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta 1 tan theta 2. Here tan theta 1 tan theta 2 means m1 plus m2 only, no? Therefore it will become m1 plus m2 by 1 minus m1 m2. m1 plus m2 value is minus 48 by 7, which is also mod, by 1 m1 m2 value is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. So within modulus it will become plus 48 divided by 14. Here 2 into 7, 14. So it will be divisible by 2. It will become 24 divided by 7. So tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 24 by 7. Tan you can take this side. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to tan inverse of 24 by 7, which is there in the option second. Thank you students for watching my videos. Please do subscribe.